Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Naz, and for those who don't know me, I'm a London-based blogger and content creator. Follow me on Instagram to see more things that I don't normally post here. And this is Kovi. Kovi says, say hi to you too. He's grown so much. Some of you might have seen my previous video where I picked him up a few months ago, and this is him now. He's so big. Say hi. He's so cute, right? So, in today's video, I will be introducing you to a supplement brand that I've been taking for months now, and not months, a whole year. I've been taking these vitamins for a whole year now, and there's some vitamins that I love and some others that I don't like that much. That's probably just me. I'm not sure, but I will be sharing with you which ones are my favorite, which one I have been finishing a few times now, and which one I'm not a fan of. You will also get a discount code for 55% off, so that's like a massive discount. So take advantage of it. I'll put it below in the description. I'll also put a link to all the vitamins that I've been showing in this video. They will be also below in the description. Let's start with my absolute favorites, and I will explain why. My top product from Myvitamins is this one here, which is the hair, nails and skin, hair, skin and nails gummies. These are absolutely amazing if you want to get your hair and skin and nails to where you want them to be, because they supply you with all the supplements, all the vitamins, minerals, everything that your skin, hair and nails actually need. I've been loving my hair. It's been so healthy, and especially because I do bleach it, this has helped to strengthen my hair as well, because obviously it's your hair that is already on your head is dead. The moment that it goes out from your scalp, it dies, but the new hair that is growing grows stronger and thicker as well. So I do highly recommend this. Also, your nails will be growing really fast. What else do I love about this is that it's delicious. So you only take 2 in the morning or during the day. I mean, whenever you remember, you take 2 of them, and they taste so good. This is with the blueberry flavor. You don't need to eat with it. You don't need to do anything. It's just a gummy that you chew like once a day. I mean, two of them, but once a day. Okay, so my second favorite product that I've also keep finishing, and I get also the bigger packages, it's the Chewable vitamin C. It's basically vitamin C, and during COVID I have been very happy that I have not gotten the disease, but my immune system needed a boost. So I've been taking this with conjunction with some other immune support product. But the vitamin C is amazing for immune support, and if you take your 2 chewables a day, you will like have much better immune, and you will be less. Next one that I really like is the apple cider vinegar gummies. It's this one here, and this helps to support your blood glucose levels, which is very important because we eat a lot of sugar, and this basically helps to normalize those glucose levels in your bloodstream. I also have these gut gummies. So these gut gummies, the idea behind them is amazing. It's just that I didn't see much difference with them. I also produce my own kombucha at home, and I think my kombucha is giving me more what I want than these. So I wouldn't recommend them, just because for me personally, I think my kombucha is giving me more life cultures than this. But if you don't take any life cultures from anything else, I would highly recommend to have at least some supplement that would give you that, which could be this. But definitely everyone needs a probiotic in their life. It helps with the gut, it helps with your digestion. For me, I prefer my kombucha. I have finished a whole of these. I don't think they give me as much as the kombucha, so I will keep brewing my home kombucha, and plus kombucha is so tasty, like why not? Something else that I really like is the Glucosamine and Chondroitin Plus, which is this one here. I have very weak, not bones, but joints. So my joints are very weak, especially on the wrist and on my knees, and my elbows, my shoulders, everywhere where there's a joint in my jawline. It's very weak, and I have definitely noticed a difference when I'm taking these. This really replaces that compounds, the most fundamental compounds found in joints. So it replaces those, and it gives you that better feel in your joints. So if you have any joint issues, definitely I recommend you this. If you have any pain and you are like 29 like me, this will help you. Definitely. I vouch for this. It's so amazing. Something else that I take for immune support is the vitamin D3. Something else that I take for immune support, but it's also apparently for fatigue, is the vitamin D3 spray. It's amazing. You just spray it once in your throat a day, and it's also vegan, so if you're vegan, take it. I can't say that it's my favorite flavor. I've been taking the B12 vitamins as well as a spray from Myvitamins, and that one is amazing. But this one is with a lime flavor. It's an oil based, so it's a little bit weird to have a lime flavor with the oil. I mean, I feel it's working, so I do recommend it as well. If you don't like the taste, I mean, it's just once a day anyway. Something else that I would recommend, and I really like, is the Relax pills. So before, when I was taking it more, the name was Beauty Sleep. Now it's Relax. You can see it. You can definitely see a difference in your stress levels after taking it. It really relaxes you down. I think that's why they renamed it to Relax, because it gives you more relaxation than Beauty Sleep. But lately I have been turning to their shots instead, because they are very delicious, and like I said, I don't like to take pills with water, so I have been really enjoying their shots. These ones are the shots. The ones without the blue thing is I've already used, so basically they're empty. So you can see one of these shots before you go to sleep. It has 1000 milligrams of lemon balm extract and 50 milligrams of chamomile extract, which is very relaxing. I can tell you like how much I love these. And 15 minutes before you go to sleep, and then you sleep like a baby. I show you the shots now, and I take one more different shot, which is the defense shots. So again, the ones with the orange cap are the ones that I still haven't drunk. The other ones are empty. The defense shots are amazing for immune system. It has 80 milligrams of ginger and 250 milligrams of Wellmune, which is a blend that is patented by Myvitamins. So I do highly recommend to take these. Guys, immune system is very important, especially during times like this. We're in a pandemic and we can get very easily a virus or something, and we need a good immune system. So this is essential. These shots, or just take the vitamin C and take a few different ones, so you can guarantee that your immune system is on point. These are beauty products. So I have the Retinol, which is a vitamin A that helps to balance the skin and give you like normal beautiful skin without any issues. Basically it helps for the maintenance of the skin. And then the Hyaluronic Acid, which helps to hydrate. It helps to, if you have any fine lines and wrinkles on your face showing, if you're old like me, almost 30 this year, you really need these. So this is my new package. It came with my beauty box, and this one is the second one that I've been taking, and I combine them both together, so they work perfectly together. I told you which ones I love, which ones I don't love so much. And one last thing, there is a beauty box subscription that I've been getting. This is the second box I got now. The thing is, I already had a few of these. I haven't really finished the ones that I have to open the ones that are in the beauty box. So this is the beauty box, how it looks. It comes in a nice package. And let's see what's inside. I still haven't opened this one. So, oh, here it is. So it comes with the hair, skin and nail gummies. This is a full one. With the coconut and collagen. This one is amazing for, again, hair, skin and nails, but it helps to boost the elasticity of the skin a little bit more. So that's for a little bit more mature that want to get fine lines away or prevent any fine lines as well. And this is the hyaluronic acid. So if you didn't know, the hyaluronic acid is what's in the fillers. So all the fillers are made of hyaluronic acid, which is naturally found in the skin, and this helps to plump the skin and retain moisture. That's how all the fillers work. That's something naturally found in your skin already. So it's quite good that you can take it as a supplement and prevent the early use of fillers. Although I need my lip done. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and please comment which vitamins are you taking, and if you have any experience with Myvitamins or with any other brand, and what's your thoughts on it. Thank you again so much for watching, and see you soon.